I'm Pharmacist Ben, and it's time for another moment of truth. Eggs are an indisputable nutritional powerhouse, but these days they come in a confusing array of choices, and it can be hard to decide what kind to buy. Organic eggs come from hormone-free hens raised without vaccines and antibiotics, which is always a good idea. Omega-3 eggs are from chickens fed flax seeds and fish, and vegetarian eggs are laid by birds fed grains and seeds and kept indoors. Eggs can also be categorized by how the chickens that lay them are raised. Conventional eggs come from factory farm chickens that are given pharmaceuticals. They can be brown or white, depending on the breed of bird they come from, but either way, this is the worst type of egg to buy. Cage-free eggs are from chickens who are able to roam, although not necessarily outside. Warehouses are considered cage-free. And cage-free birds don't necessarily need to spend any time in the great outdoors. The best choice of eggs are going to be labeled pasture-raised. And these come from birds free to roam in pasture and enjoy their natural and ideal nutrient-dense diet of plants and bugs. That's today's moment of truth. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.